Hello there. Ready to change the way you access Tally data in 5 smart steps? In this video, we'll show you how to sync your Tally data with the Biz Analyst desktop app. So, let's begin. Your first step is to log on to bizanalyst.in. Use the same system that you use to access Tally and download the Biz Analyst desktop app. Once you've installed the app, take the second step and fill out the sign-up form or sign in with your credentials. Before we go into the third step, make sure you have the licensed Tally software. If that's a yes, then go ahead with the Tally configuration process. Just go to the advanced settings and enable the ODBC server. For the fourth step, enter the same ODBC port number as before in the Biz Analyst desktop app. And your Tally configuration is now successful. Before taking the last step, open the desired company in your Tally software and add the same company on the Biz Analyst desktop app. Just select the time zone, month and year, and it's done. And for the final step, download the Biz Analyst app on your mobile and sign in with the same credentials as before. And that's it. Now you can access all your Tally data on your mobile anytime and anywhere you want. Biz Analyst. Start your free trial today.